Do you know those dystopian images and reports of the Chinese government tracking the location and social interactions of Chinese citizens, all in the name of safety and public health? Well, friends, it's coming here, and I'll show you the government's own documents to prove it. Sheila, Gunn, Reid for Rebel News, and I am 100% certain the pandemic is never going to end if the control freaks at the Public Health Agency of Canada have their way. I think they love the power they get to have over regular citizens without having to earn it first by, being elected or, for that matter, being held accountable. Dr. Theresa Tam and her snoopy, inept Public Health Agency of Canada are moving into Chinese social credit territory with their coming attempts to monitor and track innocent Canadians as we go about our lives. They want to know where you are, when you were there, and who exactly you were with. And they are going to use your cell phone data and location information to do it. And it's all here in black and white. It's not a conspiracy theory. It's in this latest request for proposal posted publicly on the government's contracts and procurement website, buysell.gc.ca. Look at this. The Public Health Agency of Canada requires access to cell tower operator location data that is secure, processed, and timely, in addition to being adequately vetted for security, legal, privacy, and transparency considerations to assist in the response to the COVID-19 pandemic and for other public health applications. Aggregated indicators derived from cell tower operator location data provide insightful information and allow for meaningful analysis on the mobility or movement of populations in Canada. These analyses and findings provide situational awareness and help inform policy, public health messaging, evaluation of public health measures, and other aspects related to public health response, programming, planning, and preparedness. You know, none of this is all that surprising given how much the Public Health Agency of Canada sucks up to the China-controlled World Health Organization. In fact, Dr. Theresa Tam is one of 7 people on the World Health Organization's oversight panel. What does the government want with this information anyway? To find out where your underground restriction-free church is? That sounds a lot like something they do in China, doesn't it? Or to track how many people you had at your house over Easter or Christmas? Or to uncover your segregation-free speakeasy where the bartender there minds his own business instead of your medical history before pouring you a beer? Maybe the government wants to know if you are associating with other known COVID scofflaws like me. Do you doubt for a second that this tracking won't be used for enforcement? When this is taken into context with the vaccine passport system that now forces people to produce their medical history to perfect strangers, to be able to go to work, go to a movie, go to a gym, or travel, it's clear. Another uncounted fatality of the pandemic was privacy. For Rebel News, I'm Sheila Gunn Reid. We rely on the support of people like you at home. So if you'd like to donate to offset our research and investigation costs, there's a special website for you to do that. It's called rebelinvestigates.com.